you very much for coming back to the channel, and today I'm going to visit a few places around China. First up, Beijing Zoo. We've just come away from the zoo, we're on our way to the Summer Palace, and of course we've stopped at a pearl market where you can spend loads of money. So we're going to look around, see what we can get. I've just made a purchase in here. Originally the price was $500 US. I've haggled and haggled and I've got it down to 700 yuan, which is probably about 75 pounds. Got it in there. It's the least I can do for Dominique after she's let me go off on my own for 6 days on holiday, so hopefully she likes it. I'll let her show you what's in the bag after she's got it. Right, this is the Summer Palace.
Hello.
And yeah, this is the Summer Palace, and the guide was just telling us about it. To be honest, I ran a marathon yesterday, I'm tired, I wasn't really listening. So we'll just go look around and appreciate the beauty of the building, I think, rather than the history. Disappointed. I just set up the drone and I tried to lift off and it says I'm in a restricted flight area, so I can't fly. I had some awesome shots planned as well. I was gonna skim across these boats, not very high at all. I was gonna climb up towards the palace up there, maybe towards the pagoda at the back. Can't do it. Gutted. Restricted airspace, it won't lift.
Wait, it's got GPS built in for safe? What?
Just casually having lunch in a temple. We've just had lunch. I've got a boat beer because we're going on this boat. The next stop on today's tour is the Beijing 2008 Olympic Stadium. I am so happy to be here, this is amazing. Well, it turns out this is also a restricted zone for flying the drone. I cannot fly the drone above the Olympic Stadium. Oh, what a drone fail day. However, this is an awesome place. So let's just see what we can of it from the ground. Having carried the London 2012 Olympic torch, I'm always going to enjoy any Olympic venue, so this is amazing. I'm really happy to be here. I'm just going to get a few selfies, I think. Let's do it. I've been to the London 2012 Olympic Stadium, and this Beijing Bird Nest Stadium is definitely bigger, I would say, than the London one. Just massive. And I don't really think the GoPro is going to do justice to the scale of this thing, but it is amazing. That one looks like caviar. Nice.
Remember? Yeah.
That smells like something, yeah. Like jasmine tea. Well, that's been a fantastic last day sightseeing in Beijing, and I'm off to the gala dinner tonight now, which is a big sort of celebration of the Great Wall Marathon. I'm going to leave the GoPro here for that. I'm just going to go and enjoy myself tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.